Yo dudes, welcome to one of the nicest chocolate mousse you will ever taste. We'd like to dedicate this video to the wonderful Lucy Moosey. Yo Lucy! Anyway, okay, if you would also like a video dedicated to you, please let us know. Anyway, right. Okay, so this is fluffy, this is sexy, and this is like the chocolate that you dreamt you could walk across, you could swim in. It's so fluffy, bubbly. Think like Charlie in the Chaplin Factory, okay. Think Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, unlike fluffy steroids. Anyway, I'm making a meal of this butcher. Here we go, right. You will need an electric stand mixer. Also, you could use a whisk of choice. Take a 400ml can of chickpeas and open it, and you're gonna pour in the Aquafaba. This is our secret ingredient. So Aquafaba, funny enough, directly translated in Spanish means bean water. But because it's got a certain degree of protein content, it can mimic egg whites. Okay, so in this big bowl here we have what's known as a bain-marie, which is just a water bath. If you have a microwave, that would work too. 150ml of dark chocolate of choice. We're using 54% cocoa solid. In it goes. So normally with Aquafaba, you'd use cream of tartar as the stabling agent. Tartar, I didn't say that correctly. So instead we're just gonna use citric acid or lemon juice. Just squeeze in a little bit. Perfect, boom. Okay, pop it down and we're gonna just whisk this at a low speed initially. Slowly incorporate it and go for it. Oh, we're getting there now. Okay, I'll just stop it just because the audio will be better. You'll be able to hear me better. Okay, so what you're looking for here is stiff peaks. Stiff peaks is a term for when, like, say I take a tablespoon and I hold it up. It's stiff, look at that. Oh. It's really exciting doing Aquafaba. So we're gonna take 3 tablespoons of sugar of choice. You could use coconut sugar, you could use brown sugar, or you could use straight up castor sugar. This is just gonna help. Chickpea water can have that chickpea note, and this is a dessert. So this is just gonna make it taste a little bit nicer. So just pop it in and just incorporate it. Again, you can't over whip Aquafaba, so give it socks, don't worry. Get it back to stiff peaks and we're gonna start bringing this together. Okay, so there's an example of stiff peaks. Look at that, solid. Oh, some adding the sugar, it's lovely. Nice. Okay, now for the exciting bit. So we have our Aquafaba, we have our melted chocolate, 150 grams of each. I'm gonna go with about a third of this light, fluffy mousse. In it goes. I'm just gonna slowly incorporate it. Just really, don't be afraid of whisking it. Okay, so now we got our remaining 2/3 of Aquafaba. Just add it in a third at a time. It'll be, slowly you'll get it in there. So I've taken the bowl off the heat just because it means it's less likely to break down our emulsion. So just fold it in gently. Don't be too rough here. We want to keep that air that this fella has worked so hard to incorporate. Take our remaining third and just in it goes. Just slowly fold it in. God. It might seem like it's runny, but just wait until it sets. So just get your ramekins. I always think it goes much nicer in ramekins. And now for one of the most important processes, just, really beautiful. So just before it sets, make sure to give it a little clean. As it sets, the cacao butter will harden. Pop it into a tray. So we're gonna pop it in the fridge just to let it set. We wanna get the cacao butter, the main fat in the chocolate, to get below 29 degrees Celsius. So it'll probably take about 10 minutes. Chocolate mousse has been in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Look at it, bubbly, sexy light. Okay, you wanna see something light and fluffy. Come here. Oh my word. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's like eating chocolate clouds. It's like eating chocolate clouds. Oh, it's like a mouthgasm. I know that's probably not a word, or it's a weird word if you do say it, but this is delicious. Anyway, I'm gonna get to my work here. I'm gonna enjoy this, but wishing you a wonderful day. If you do make this, tag us on social media. Thanks for watching, and big shout out to Juicy Lucy for this. Cheers, bye.